Good morning, guys. It's Amanda. So it's kind of early, so I need to be a little quiet. But today I'm making for my family this morning air fryer cinnamon rolls with a cream cheese icing. So I'm going to start by getting some warm water, about 1/4 cup of warm water. And I'm going to put a half a package of active dry yeast with this warm water. About half. And I'm going to let that dissolve in this warm water. Grab a spoon. I'm just going to give it a little about 5 minutes. I'm going to let that dissolve. While that's dissolving, I'm going to combine a few other ingredients here. Alright, so we're going to start by combining the rest of the ingredients, which is 2 teaspoons of sugar. I'm almost out of sugar. Not to worry, I have a replacement in the cabinet. And we're going to do 2 tablespoons of almond milk. Which I already have measured here. And let's see here. We're going to do an egg. Put 1 egg. Boom. I'm going to do 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We're going to do 1 cup of flour. This is how I roll. So now that we've got that, we're going to take this whisk and we are going to whisk this together until it's well combined. We've combined this a little bit, so now we're going to add our dissolved yeast. Add a half a cup of flour, and with a spoon we're going to combine that. These air fryer cinnamon rolls, I have to say, are my family's favorite. And they're only 183 calories each, so it's a nice little treat sometimes, you know. I'm going to combine this really well here. Once I've combined it all here in the bowl, I'm going to lightly flour my tabletop here, and I'm going to knead it for about 10 minutes. And it's going to be really sticky. We're going to lightly flour. Get it all off here. So 10 minutes, we're going to knead this. I'm going to take a clean bowl, and I'm going to take my butter, and I'm going to coat my bowl with melted butter. So what's going to happen here is I'm going to put my dough ball in this bowl, and I'm going to turn it so it's coated with butter, and then I'm going to cover it with a damp cloth that I've already dampened up. So I'm going to take my dough. It's so pretty. All right, and I'm going to put it in here. I'm going to roll it once over here so it's completely coated in butter. And then I'm going to just set it here in the middle. And I'm going to take this damp cloth and I'm going to let it sit here for about an hour. So you want a warm spot, and then it's going to double in size, and then it'll be ready to put in the air fryer. All right, so it's been about an hour. I have not looked at my dough yet, but when I uncover this, this should be doubled in size. I've gone ahead and combined here 3 tablespoons of brown sugar and 3 teaspoons of cinnamon. I've melted the rest of my butter here, and that's going to be the filling. And I've lightly floured my surface here, and I've got my rolling pin, and I'm going to roll this dough out. Here we go. Oh yeah, that's so pretty. I have to show you guys. Look at that. That raised beautiful, 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 beautiful. So lovely. All right. So we're going to want this to be about a 7 by 13 square. my rolling pin out. All right, now that we have rolled it out, so it's about 7 by 13 inches, I'm going to brush it lightly with my butter. Now I'm going to take my sifter, and I'm going to put my filling in here, and I'm going to sift it over the top. There it goes. All right. We're going to take a pizza cutter and we're going to slice this into 7 strips. Here I've rolled them all up and I've placed them into my pan. I'm going to take my damp cloth and I'm going to cover these up for about 40 minutes until they get a little bit bigger. Here we go. I've got my pan at the lowest setting. I'm going to preheat my air fryer on 250 and just like this. And once this is preheated, which will only take about a minute, I'm going to put in my cinnamon rolls to bake for about 20 minutes. All right, here we go. I'm gonna put these in. It looks so yummy. Boom. I'll put them in. See you guys in 20 minutes. Here we go. Let's see how these turned out. Homemade cinnamon rolls. Love, love. Here I've combined 1/4 cup of cream cheese, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, a little bit of salt, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, and a splash of almond milk. And I'm going to top my cinnamon rolls.